Good morning. Today is Friday. So today I'm meant to be at work, but I'm not going because I want to make my hair. It's been 5 months last time I made my I'm always on wig and I think I'm tired. So I want to make my hair. So yes guys, see my nails. For the first time in my life, my 25 years of living, finally fixed my nail. Like I fixed my nail. So yeah guys, I'm trying to wait for the hairdressers to call, but none of them are answering. To be at work since
I beg, I don't want to go to work. I'm not
since
even supposed
8
to go.
o'clock.
I'm not supposed to go to my office in like 5 minutes. Don't stress me, I beg.
It's just a very
Wash my hair.
hey no.
Don't you say you
Bye
should
bye.
wash my
Ah,
hair?
it's not me. You know it God forbid. He doesn't even know my name.
No. Don't you
I will
say wash my
slap
hair now?
he don't to give me money. So I'm just going to wait for them to come. Let's say 10 o'clock. Two of them are not around, like two of the hairdressers are not around. I don't know why. And it's 10, like why is everybody not going to and I look like whatever, I don't know, but then don't worry, it's going to be a transformation, like whoa. I'll see you guys when I'm about to start making the hair. Let's see. So I'll show you guys the color of the attach, the extension I want to use, and what I want to do. My pay is not expensive because I don't have any money to spend on any single thing at this point in time. And it's the end of the month, so brokenness is everywhere. It's in the A. So see you guys. Hi guys. No long ago, let's say 30 minutes. I could not vlog again after I finished making the hair. I know it was so much. Like the risks we take in life. If you're in Ibadan, you know how far Akobo is to Lee City around Tollgate. So I legit took bike from Akobo to Tollgate, Lee City. Like exactly why? Just because I finished late. I think making my hair around 7. I finished the hair 5:51. So they had to do the tonguing and everything, the rolling part, then the trimming and whatever. 17, let's say 6:41. I went to get my dress for the wedding I have tomorrow. First, I got there by on the 7:01 dot. I entered, got the dress, left there 7:07. Headed to my office to get a package they kept for me. So I stopped there and get the package and continued. Like it was still bike. I had to just beg the bike man to help me stop. Then I got here 8:13, 30 minutes past 8. Okay. And I'm watching the Hitman's Wife's Bodyguard 2021. That movie, I love it very much. So probably see you guys. It is alright. See you guys. Good morning. Today is the wedding day, and we're at our friend's place because we're getting together. So I don't know. It seems like I had a car or something. I don't know. But then I'm dressed. This is my fine dress from Bumi Fashion. Necklace from Elip. So yeah, that's all. I'm not doing makeup because I don't know. I hardly do that thing when I'm going out. I feel like shut up. I need to learn how to do makeup. Maybe if I do learn, to make me want to make up or at least apply one or two. I'll put that in my 2022 goals. Because this year now. So yeah. That's the year. I'm gonna look pretty. This thing's not doing justice to my prettiness. For the car, then our other friends, to come. So before we get going, that's Ogun State, Abeokuta. So yeah, see you guys when we get there. I really like my dress. It's so simple, but then it's giving what it's meant to be given. Why are you here? I'm not meant to be out here. See you guys in the party. But that's your market.
See this?
As in, you don't need to say.
That's how you know what I do.
Sorry, this is very good.
Yeah.
And we're very reliable.
Yes. 100.
Reliable. So don't miss out. We're in Abeokuta. Oh boy, I'm sweating. But then we haven't gotten to the venue for the wedding yet. But it is what it is. We'll get there. Last.
Daddy, what's up?
Hello?
Lulu?
Bro said Joko Yoko.
Today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. We are on our way for a football match my office. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there.
Because this car easily goes down.
So yeah, guys.
See your loom days now. See how it has gone down.
How should I? What the jog? They don't run after you.
Hi guys. So yeah, we just got there now, and yeah, but they haven't started much yet. But then it is what it is. So see you guys when they start, and I'll give you guys a bit. Also yesterday there was nothing much. It was just a short clip. And on Sunday we went to church, but then I didn't remember to vlog. So yeah, this one are taking pictures. See you later. Bye guys. Oh my god, sun kids. So finally, after won the freaking match 3-2. Wait, and that is coming on Friday.
How are we going to go home now? How are we going to go home now?
Oh yeah, so the winners advance with orange until we win.
Hello guys. Yeah, here we are playing the Affair Babalora program.
But it's Agbero.
Yes.
Well done, sir. So, how do you feel about this? How do you feel about the match?
Yes, today is a very good day. We started on a losing note, but eventually we came out successful.
Wow.
And I'm happy. I did not come in vain.
Oh.
See my court shirt. I'm not.
Your full chest.
Oh, hi. Do you mind? Okay. What's your name? So this is our goalkeeper. So how do you feel about it?
I'm super excited. Highly elated.
Wow.
But my joy no bound.
Oh my God.
It's a victory well deserved. For the glory of God.
Amen. Thank you so much. Congratulations, man. See you guys in the next one, the finals. I bet you should add. Hi guys. Today is Wednesday, and I'm going to be at CDS. Today is CDS, so yeah. 40 days later, and then I just remember that I got package. I'm so happy from Jumia. This Black Friday, whatever. So if you haven't, you sure know what to do. So I already opened it. Actually came since last 2 weeks. And then I just remember that I've been like, let me show you guys my babies. Yay! Okay, what's inside? The tripod stand. Finally, I own a tripod stand. I've really been saving up to get my filming equipment. At least not be like the best, but then it came in this box. So but I've been really wanting to, and I finally did. So this is it. I'm coming. It's longer than this. Like you can like so perfect. And then it has, apart from the length, it has this part again, so it's long enough whatever I want to do. By now, see, I came with this phone holder where you're going to apply it here. And you know, I'm so happy, guys. No bound. So basically, so far I have a property with my name signed and sealed. I can't wait to just have every single thing, not like every single thing, but like some few items share that I really need. So check for you. My baby, my new baby. Oh yeah, I'll put the price somewhere. Yeah, I'll check the receipts. So yeah, I got it for that price. It wasn't expensive, this sale, so I'm trying to just make good use of it. So if you haven't gotten whatever you need, try and check, and I'm sure you will see something. And the Black Friday has ended. But I'm sure everybody knows about it right now, though. I think so. I know people to be like, oh, they don't want what they call it, like what I would ever sweat I get. I don't think you can have that. Like such thing can happen, but then it depends on you. Like you check something, there's no rating, there's no stars, and you don't even check like the people's response on that particular product, and you are ordering it. You want to be the first person to taste it. Exactly why don't do that? And you can actually get an agent for that. And if you do need an agent for your order from Jumia, even if it's not Black Friday, like generally, I'll put a link down below so you can contact her. She has worked with them for 3 to 4 years now, so she's advanced in it. She knows good products and what not to, and everything. So yeah, don't worry, I'll help you guys.